In this video guide, I will show with you how to change flight ticket date in Lufthansa. So if you want to change your flight date in Lufthansa, follow me in this video guide. Go to Google, search for Lufthansa Airlines. After that, you will see this page. From here, click on my booking. You see my booking and click manage my booking. When you click manage my booking, you will see this page, friends. As you can see here, from here, just enter your login travel ID. When you log in with your travel ID here on this section, you will see your booking from here. You can change and manage your ticket date. Just choose your ticket from here. As you can see here, friends, from this option, you can manage your date, change your flight date from this section. Just go to manage your booking and then log in with your ID. After that, you can change your date ticket here. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this video for content.